Hello, good day, and welcome to Fun Maths. Today we are looking at this Olympiad Mathematics question. It says sin x plus cos x is equals to 1 over 5. What's the value of tan x within this limits 0 and pi? Now I'm going to introduce the trig identity. I'm starting with the trig identity of sin square x plus cos square x being 1. Now, the next thing I want is to make cos square x the subject formula. My target is to replace cos x that is in the question with something that has to do with sine. All right. So make cos square x the subject formula. Here we have cos square x, and that will be 1 minus sine squared x. All right. Now I can take the square root of both sides. Please take note. Cos square x is the same thing as cos x all squared. All right, so if I take the square root, I can just cancel out that square. So take the square root of both sides. We'll be having square root of cos square x to be equals to the square root of 1 minus sine square x. And then it means that cos x is equals to the square root of 1 minus sine squared x. If this is the case, I can come back to my question, which says sin x plus cos x, and replace cos x with 1 minus sine squared x. So we have sin x from the question plus cos x, which is now 1 minus sine squared x, and that is equals to 1 over 5. The next thing I want to do is to make this square root of 1 minus sine squared x the subject formula. Okay, so it means that I'm going to move sine x to the right hand side. If I do that, I'll be having the square root of 1 minus sine squared x, and that is equals to 1 over 5 minus sine x. Well, to remove the square root, I'm going to take the square of both sides, the square of this side also. So this square is going to cancel out these square roots, and I'll be having 1 minus sine squared x to be equals the square of this, which is just going to rewrite that 1 over 5 minus sine x times 1 over 5 minus sine x. So I'm going to expand the right hand side. 1 minus sine square x and the left hand side is equals to 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 is 1 over 25. 1 over 5 times minus sine x is minus sine x over 5. All right, minus sine x over 5. Same thing here, minus sine x times 1 over 5 is minus sine x over 5. And then minus sine x times minus sine x is plus sine squared x. We're not sure yet. We have 1 minus sine squared x, and then we have 1 over 25 at this side. Minus sine x is minus 2 sine x. Don't forget, divided by 5 plus sine squared x. Okay, now what I want to do is bring everything to a single side, to one particular side. So let's move to the left hand side. We'll be having 1, collect like term as you're moving. 1 and 1 over 5 are like terms, so I'm going to have 1 minus 1 over 25, sorry. Then minus sine squared x minus, this is moving, minus sine squared x again. Then plus, minus becomes plus when it moves, plus 2 sine x over 5. 1 minus 1 over 25 is 24 over 25. And then we have minus sine squared x. Sorry, minus 2 sine squared x, because you are adding or having minus sine squared x minus sine squared x. So that's minus 2 sine squared x plus 2 sine x. Sorry, this is equals to 0. I forgot that. 2 sine x over 5 equals to 0. So I want to rearrange this. I have minus 2 sine squared x plus 2 sine x over 5 plus 24 over 25. Before I proceed, why not multiply through by minus to remove the minus at this side. So we'll be having 2 sine square x minus 2 sine x over 5. We're multiplying by minus 24 over 25 equals to 0. Now, remember I said that cos square x is cos x squared. Means sine square x is also sine x squared. That will pose what looks like a quadratic equation. So for that to make more sense, so I can say let u be equals to sine x. If u is sine x, it means that I can write this as 2u squared, because now sine square x will now be u squared minus 2u over 5 minus 24 over 25 equals to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation. We can use the quadratic formula to find our solution. Based on what we have as our variables here, the quadratic formula will be u equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright, where a is the coefficient of u squared, 2, b is the coefficient of u, minus 2 over 5, and then c is the constant, minus 24 over 25. So u will be equals minus b, which is minus 2 over 5, minus 2 over 5, plus minus the square root of b squared, minus 2 over 5 square, minus 4ac, 4 times a, 2, times c, minus 24 over 25, divided by 2a, which is 2 times 2. So this is minus 2 over 5, 2 over 5, plus minus the square root of, now minus 2 over 5 square is 4 over 25. 4 over 25 minus 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 24 is 192. So that's going to be plus, yes, plus 192 divided by 25, or divided by 4. So this is 2 over 5 plus minus the square root of, both of them have the denominator 25, so I can write 25 and then 4 plus 192. Everything is still divided by 4. Now, if that is u, we are not true. U is equals 2 over 5 plus minus the square root of 4 plus 192 is 196 divided by 25 over 4. And that would be 2 over 5 plus minus the square root of 196 is 14, the square root of 25 is 5 divided by 4. All right, and so what we now have is either positive or negative. U will be 2 over 5 plus 14 over 5, all divided by 4, or u is equals to 2 over 5 minus 14 over 5, all divided by 4. 5 is common, so we have 5, 2 plus 14. Now, I'm going to move swiftly. This division by 4 can also be written as, is the reciprocal, okay, divided by 4, it means that times 1 over 4. The same thing for the other one. We have 2 minus 14 over 5, because 5 is the common denominator. It will be times 1 over 4. So 2 plus 14 is 16, 16 over 5 times 1 over 4. Or u is equals minus 12 over 5 times 1 over 4. So if this 4 is going to cancel out this 16, we have 4 here. And then u will be equals to 4 over 5. Or if this cancels out this, we have 3. That's u is equals to minus 3 over 5. So we have two values of u. Remember that u is equals to sine x. I hope you didn't forget. So it means that sine x is 4 over 5, or sine x is minus 3 over 5. But we have a limit from 0 to pi. which is the first and the second quadrant, and in this first and the second quadrant, sine is positive. All right, so if sine is positive, it means that sine x cannot be minus 3 over 5, but sine x is 4 over 5. All right, now remember that sine from our question, sine x plus cos x is 1 over 5. Sine x is 4 over 5, so that's 4 over 5 plus cos x is 1 over 5. So we can collect like terms, and we'll be having cos x is equals to 1 over 5 minus 4 over 5, because I move 4 over 5 to the right hand side. So cos x will be, now the denominator 5 is common, so just put 5 there. 5 divided by 5, it's 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So cos x will be minus 3 over 5. Is that the final answer? No. The question says we should look for the value of tan x. But it's easy at this point, because tan x is sine x over cos x. Alright, and sine x from what we calculated is 4 over 5. This is 4 over 5 over cos x minus 3 over 5. Now we'll be doing what I did before when I said times 1 over 4, the reversal. Okay, we are dividing, it's called multiplicative inverse. We have 4 over 5 divided by minus 3 over 5. It's the same thing as saying times 5 over minus 3. Okay, so this is going to cancel out, and then we'll be having minus 4 over 3, or minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So this is the final solution. This is the value of tan x. If you got any value from this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to others. Till we meet again, this is goodbye from me.